Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OMED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways. Nice price movement today, and also on top of that, good solid volume. But the interesting part, and I'm assuming there's some sort of news or something that came out, because for the early part of the day, late morning, early afternoon, nothing at all was going on. There was no volume down there. Then all of a sudden, the late day movement occurred where the volume kicked back in, and the rest is kind of history. So a lot of eyeballs going into the weekend now on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. The first level is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 88 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 88, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that mark, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 88 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, main level going into next week going to be right up there at 95 cents. I realize the price did slightly get up above there, but as far as I'm concerned, I think 95 is going to be that key level to watch. So monitor that, and if the price can get a good solid high volume break, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price, at least head up and do battle with $1, if not maybe even break above $1. But anyway, you look at it, powerful, powerful move. Way to close out the day, and given that it's Friday, close out the week. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.